Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you another hair treatment that is going to stop breakage and make your hair grow faster and thicker. So if you're interested to see how I come up with this treatment, keep watching this video to the end guys, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For the ingredients I'm going to be using to come up with this hair treatment, I'm going to be using rosemary and I'm going to be using peppermint leaves. So what I'm going to do is separate the leaves from the stem, and we are going to be using the leaves. So I'm just going to remove everything and pop it into my blender. If you are using peppermint on your hair, it's going to stop your hair from thinning and it's going to stop you from losing a lot of hair. And if you are experiencing bald spot on your hair as well, this is going to help you fill up all the bald spot on your hair. Same with rosemary, is going to reduce hair fall, and it also have the great healing properties in them that can help in the case of nerve damage, and rosemary can prevent your scalp with the nourishment it needs for growth. Same with avocado, it helps to restore the hair with healthy fat and moisture, making hair healthy and resilient to damage. And all this is going to help your hair to provide your hair with the vitamin that it needs. And moringa as well is also rich in amino acid, which are building blocks of cells. Therefore it helps in rejuvenating of hair, thereby reduces alopecia, and it activates the hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on the bald areas. So all these ingredients, you want to mix all of them together and put it on your hair to continue your hair journey. So I'm going to be adding in water, that way it can blend well, and I'm going to blend it. After blending all of my ingredients together, now I'm going to sift it and remove the juice out of it. I'll be using my stocking cap to squeeze it. You can use cheesecloth and you can use your strainer as well. Anything that you know you can take out the juice, just use it. This is the amount of juice that came out from my mixture. This is enough to use on my hair. So now I'm going to add in the next ingredients, which is going to be my amla oil. If you don't have amla oil, you can use Jamaican castor oil or any oil of your choice. So now I'm going to mix everything together and pour it into my container. The best container to apply it on your hair easily is going to be like the one I'm going to be pouring in. You don't want to use your spraying bottle because of the lid is going to block it and you won't be able to spray it on your hair. So look for something like this, or you can just apply it on your hair directly. If you want to get all the benefit from this, make sure you're applying this like once a month on your hair after shampooing your hair. Leave it in for 30 minutes and then you wash it out. This is going to help your hair to grow back all the bald spot, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Leave me down your comments if you do try this, and share it with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.